Just got this in the mail. Dawn Guard Technologies. 10 pin for Hyundai and Kia. Tiny little box. It's about 30 bucks. Alright, what's in here? Micro USB and mini USB. And here's the adapter. So USB A, and this goes to the rear view mirror. I'll be using this on a Viofo A119S or version 2, I don't remember. Uses micro USB. Alright, pretty easy. Just stick your finger in here at the top and pull. Comes right off. There's the power. Just unclip it. And here's the adapter. Let's put this one in first. And the second part, doing this with one hand. I'm gonna put it down. 1 second. Might be a tight fit, but it should be okay. We'll see. Alright, it's plugged in. Let's test it out. Turn the car on. Okay, everything's on. Let's make sure this works. Yep, garage is working. Let's close my garage. Alright. Moment of truth. Let's plug this into the dash cam. Well, I've got to get situated here. Is it going to turn on? Oh, I see light. And it works. Very nice, very nice. The website does say the adapter only works on dash cams 5 volts at 2 amps. My dash cam is 5 volts 1 amp. So yeah, it comes with a 50 centimeter long USB cord. So I'll have to probably get a shorter one or something. I'm not sure where I'll put this. But yeah, very nice and clean. No need to run wires through the roof and through the A-pillar to the fuse box. Adapter's 30 bucks. I'll put a link up after this, but looks so far so good. Maybe right there. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.